Very good morning. You are most welcome in Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In this video series, we are going to discuss a complete solution of the all types of the Olympiad examination. Okay. Now, in today's video, we are going to discuss a solution of 2026 US National Chemistry Olympiad. And you will get a proper solution of the questions based on the concept and tricks. Okay. So now start the today question. Question is start. What are the oxidation state of the nitrogen in NH4NO3, ammonium nitrate? They are asking about the oxidation state of nitrogen in this ammonium nitrate compound. Okay. Now second question is the what is the bond order in the superoxide oil? Superoxide means when the two oxygen are present simultaneously or together known as the superoxide. So here the superoxide ion is the 2 negative. 2 negative O2 negative ion also known as the superoxide. It is a superoxide. Okay. So how to calculate the bond order and how to calculate the oxidation state of any atom. Okay. Both questions are the related to the inorganic chemistry. Now start the calculation and with some concept. The question number 1, calculation of the oxidation state. Calculation of the oxidation state of nitrogen in compound is ammonium nitrate. Okay, ammonium nitrate. So how to calculate it? So we can calculate with the help of the some formulas, and the formula is the compound. Okay, the compound is composed of the ammonium ion. Compound is composed of ammonium ion. Ammonium ion means NH4 positive. Because of in this compound there are the NH4 positive ammonium ion and NO3 negative nitrate ion is present. Okay, and the nitrate ion is the NO3 negative. Clear? Now in the second step we are calculating the for ammonium ion. In ammonium ion, what is the oxidation state of nitrogen? Okay, so now write the given values. So N plus 4 plus 1, because of more hydrogen is present and positive charge is the 1. 4 plus 1 is equal to plus 1 is equal to plus 1, and the minus 4 is equal to n is equal to n is equal to minus 3. Okay, after the calculation we will get the minus 3, and you can calculate the oxidation state of any element in a given compound with the help of this formula. Now second compound is the second component is the NO3 negative. NO3 negative. Now again write the nitrogen plus total number of the oxygen is 3, and how many negative charge? So here the one negative charge, because of the it is a NO3. NO3 means here the 2 negative charge is present on the nitrate ion. We will put here the minus 2 value, and minus 2 value that means the plus 5. So after the calculation we will get the plus 1 and put the value in this, and n is equal to plus 5. We have a two oxidation step. Number 1 for the ammonium nitrogen is the minus 3, and the for nitrate nitrogen it is a plus 5. We can calculate the oxidation state with the help of this formula. The correct option is the minus 3 and plus 5. Okay, thank you.